Do you want your turbocharged Audi to sound like Ken Block? I'm about to show you how to do it. First off, let's just listen to what this thing sounds like. This is my 2.0T Q5 2011. You hear that? Let me get on this smooth road so you don't hear any road noise. That's a normal engine. That's everything stock. Well, I do have a K&N air filter. I do have a filter charger. And there is a mass airflow sensor modification that I did a video like a year ago on, and it was pretty controversial, but I've been running that mass airflow sensor mod for a very long time, and let me just say, I think it makes a difference. Am I being serious? I'm running it, aren't I? Okay, now I want you to hear how to sound like Ken Block. The turbocharger's right up here. There's a couple different connectors here. This one's for the N75 valve, and this one's for the turbo cutoff valve. The recirculation valve, I think there's another name, but all we got to do for this modification is unplug that. Now we get to listen to compressor surge. Compressor surge sounds so cool. It just wakens up the vehicle like nothing else does. It's like you're in a rally car. Let's listen to it. The stupid things I do to try to get views on this YouTube channel. I'm just gonna set this phone on top of my intake manifold. Stay right there. Well, did you hear it? There we go. Compressor surge is a bad thing. You don't want it. We have this thing called a turbo cutoff valve or a recirculation valve so that we do not have this compressor surge. This noise is air pulses coming back and forth and disrupting the turbocharger, the spin of the wheel of the turbine. And the reason why we don't want this is because it can destroy the turbocharger. So now I'm gonna let you hear what it sounds like with it plugged back in. And some people get the wastegate and the recirculation valve confused. So maybe I should do a better job of explaining everything that's going on with the turbo system, with all the sensors and all this kind of thing in the future. But here's what it sounds like. The engine noise, the turbo, here's what everything is supposed to sound like. Here, take another ride underneath my hood. You just take a nap right here on my intake manifold. Right about there. All right, folks, that was 3 little boost poles, and that's how it's supposed to sound. Direct injected, injectors popping off and everything. Okay, I'll make some more videos here soon. Subscribe.